But I think the more you get to know me, you might kind of go, okay, there's maybe something going on there. But again, I'm completely self-aware. I'm completely like,
I think yours is hyperfixation type.
yeah, 100%. And a lot of people have said you've probably just got ADHD, which is very plausible. And again, similar to Dobby, it doesn't impact me, to my knowledge, in a way that I feel necessary to be tested. Would I like to be tested? Yeah, because I think it'd be really interesting to know, especially if there are any ways that can make my workflow and life a little bit easier. But also then I feel like getting tested for something like that can come with a lot of complications when actually sometimes it can be a little bit inconclusive, or it can just be like a, maybe you've got this, and in which case you're then bugging yourself about it and overthinking it. And I don't know, that's just my personal opinion on it, but yeah.
What I would like to say, though, unfortunately, and because I wish it affected me, but I actually don't think I am neurodivergent really in any way. But I think a lot of people, when they do talk about this topic, do lean more on the, well, it's a problem side of things.
Yeah.
I know